Hi guys, this is Sri from Textros. So today I'm going to install Windows 10 Lite version. Okay, it contains like a Mac. It's look like a Mac OS. Okay, so first I'm going to boot the pen drive. So this is the light version of Windows 10. So it will look like different from normal Windows. See, the setup is starting. So right now you see like the Windows setup of Windows 10 Mac OS SUR edition. Okay, so I'm going to select next. So in this I'm going to select, you see here it's a Windows 10 Mac OS Big Sur edition non-defender version 64-bit. So I'm going to select next. Okay, so in this, so I'm going to allocate a space. Okay, I have allocated a space for this OS like around 223 GB. So I'm going to give next. So it will install the Windows 10 Mac OS SUR edition. So you need to wait for few minutes to get installed. So this one is a light version. Think like it won't get bloated with so many of apps. So the installation is finished. It's going to restart now. So I'm going to select the Windows 10 on the top. So you see here, this one is look like Mac OS. So everything, see on the top from to bottom, everything this look like a Mac OS. So this is the way you can install the Windows 10 Mac OS or edition to systems. So right now you are seeing after I installed Windows 10 Mac OS SUR edition.